What's up guys, today I'm showing you some recipes that I've been cooking lately that I use to stay lean basically all year around. This is going to be a very healthy recipe. There's going to be no added sugars, no bad stuff. It tastes great, which is the best part. I love it. It tastes so amazing. So this is going to be very simple ingredients. Let's get over to the voiceover. I'm going to be doing a voiceover of everything of me cooking, getting the ingredients. But first, I'm going to show you the ingredients and make sure you preheat your oven.
Alright, so make sure you guys preheat your oven to 380 degrees. What you're going to need is a banana, some rolled oats, any kind will work, some honey or maple syrup or both. I really enjoy both of them. A mixer and a bowl, 2 eggs, measuring cups or spoons. You're not going to need much, just 1 or 2. Crack your 2 eggs and put them in the bowl. And don't get eggshells in, just like I did. Once you have your eggs in, you're going to put your banana in. Then you're going to put some honey in. Just put 2 or 3 squeezes, or a decent amount of what you want. And then you're going to put 3 cups of oats in. And you're going to mix all of that together for about 30 seconds. And after that 30 seconds, scrape the side of the bowl to get everything down and start mixing again for another 30 seconds. And you should be good and have an awesome consistency, and you're ready to put it in your pan to start cooking. Alright, this is what your batter should be looking like right now. A nice sticky consistency. Now I'm getting all my batter and putting it into my muffin tins. I'm packing them down a decent amount, but if you pack down too much, then it'll just be too hard to get out. And just do that, get how much you want in each thing, and then you have to wait for the very last step. That is the best step, as you can see.
Now guys, once you pack them into the pan, there's one special step, and that is why the honey and the maple is still here. What you're going to do, you're going to get your honey and you're just going to pour as much as you want on there, and as it bakes, it's going to soak into the middle, and you're going to get that sweet honey or maple taste, and that is the best part, and I love it. Look at that nice, fresh, organic maple syrup. Make sure you guys try to get the ingredients on this one. It's just honey, nothing added in it. Same with this. So there we go. So now your muffins, or whatever you're making out of them, should look like this. Have the maple syrup all over them, packed in. Then you're ready to put them in. Putting them in now. Put them on for 15 to 18 minutes. I'm going to set it for 15 minutes. Exactly. Set. And now we gotta wait 15. Alright, now that we're waiting for the muffins, hopefully you guys are enjoying this, and I can't wait for you guys to try this recipe because I really do love it, and it's very good and healthy. But also, make sure to subscribe. Keep watching all my other videos, check them out, see how you can stay lean and stuff all year. But let's wait until these are ending. So the next clip will be 15 minutes later, but about a second for you guys, obviously. But yeah, 10 seconds left, guys. About to get their smell. I'm just taking them out now. Oh yes, these are nice. And they're done. Come check out and take a look at these. These things look good. Yeah. There they go, guys. Those things look good. Woo! And yeah. So yeah, I just took these out, guys. This is what it should look like I did. Let's take them out here. Alright guys, so that is my recipe for these muffins, oat muffins, are very healthy. Not too many ingredients. They taste really good. Make sure you guys put that maple syrup on top. That's what I think makes it taste the best. Yeah, so that is my recipe. If you guys want any more recipes or anything else that I've been eating, definitely write it down in the comments. We'll probably do another one if you guys want more. Go try this out. Definitely go try it out. I love it. Pretty good. I'm gonna go eat some more. And that's gonna wrap up the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to drop a like, subscribe, and tell me if you want any more how to make some great things that are lean and that's still hot. Ooh. Yeah. Peace out.
Estamos.